Difference between C, C++, Java and Python. So these are the most popular, widely used programming language. Let us see one by one. First is C is a procedure-oriented programming. Procedure means function. That is, a main function is going to call another function, and these function in turn will call another function. So this is called a procedure-oriented or structural programming. Then we C++, Java, they both are object-oriented programming, but Python is both. It is procedure-oriented programming language also and object-oriented programming language also. Python is both of them. Then, who developed it? C was developed by Dennis Ritchie. C++, Janne Stroustrup. You can call it as Bajane also, but Janne Stroustrup is how it is being spoken. Java is by James Goslings, and then Python is by Guido van Rossum. What is the level of this language? C is the middle level language, very close to hardware. C++, Java and Python, they are high level languages. High level language is more like an English language. Okay, it's like what you want to type. Then we have middle level language, then we have the assembly language, then we have the actual machine language. So C is somewhat middle level language. Others are higher level language, that is the English like language. That is why you are able to write so easily. What are the building blocks? In C, everything is function. C++ and Java. C++ is object driven. Java is object and class driven. Basically, both are object and class driven. You have to make a class and you have to make an object. But Python, object and class, it is always there. But we have function also because it is both procedure-oriented programming and object-oriented programming. When you make a program, what will be the extension? C will be .c, C++ .cpp, Java will be .java, and Python will be .py. Platform, C is platform dependent. Once you make the program in C in another configuration, it may work, it may not work. C++, Java, Python, they all are platform independent. You can make the program anywhere and you can port it and run in any other place. That is why Java has come in, it has bytecode. The comment style is the slash star, write the comment and end it with star slash. The C++, you can use this also, you can use the double line also, the double slash also, the slants. And then we have Java, it's similar to the C++. In Python, it is hash for single line and double quotes means for the multi-line comment. How many keywords are there? C has 32 keywords. C++ it has 50 keywords, and Java has 63 keywords, and Python is 33. Dynamic variables, they are not supported in either C, C++, Java, but Python, the dynamic is supported. What does it mean? It means that in C, when you have to x equals to 5, you cannot do. You have to tell the compiler it is int x, then only you can say int x equals 5. Same with C++ Java. But Python, you don't have to give int also. You just say x equals 5. Python will automatically take whatever variable is assigned to it. Data security. C is not very secure because everything is open. Of course, the data is not open. Everything is global and all go-tos are used. The C++, Java, C++ is secure, but Java is more secure. And Python is also secure. Now let us just see a coding difference, how the coding will be done. In C, this is just a hello program. So the C is mostly used to develop system software. So we are using hash include stdio.h, it is the include file. Then we have int main, printf is used to print hello and return 0. Output will be hello. Now coming to C++ program. See, this is stdio.h. Here we are using iostream. You don't need to use .h. Using namespace std, this is used for name collision, avoidance of name collision. Then we have int main. In place of print, we use cout. Okay, C++ is also secured and used to solve many real-time problems. Then we have the Java program. So this main is inside a class. Please see here. This is class hello world. Inside this we have PSVM, public static void main. So everything is class in Java. So class hello world, then public static void main. Inside this you have some argument. So this object you will make of class hello world, and then when you actually instantiate, then this main function will be called. String args is an argument, and system.out.println, SOP what we call it as hello. Then we have the Python. See, you don't have to do anything. Java is very secured and robust language. That's why it's very popular than other languages. What about Python? You have nothing to do. Just write print hello. No inclusion, nothing. Python is the future. Pure line of code you have to write. It has various library to solve different types of problem. Image processing, the AI it is being used.